Back to another video, guys. Out here with the truck, and today's video I had to make because I received a comment. I apologize in advance if there's any wind noise, but it is a windy, it's kind of a cold day, kind of a nasty day. But like I said, I wanted to make this video because someone called me out and said my pricing on things such as the lift were way off. So I wanted to come on here and tell everybody how I shop, how I save money on these lift kits and on these builds in order to shop smart and save money. But before we get into all that, as always, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe down below. We just got done with our first giveaway. Alrighty guys, so we have everybody's name entered in. There really was not a lot of you, so you have a good chance of winning. We have everything set up. We're gonna click the screen and find out. There we go, Scott Adams. That is the winner. Congrats. We're going to be reaching out to you here pretty soon and get that antenna sent to you. We're going to be doing more giveaways. We have some big stuff coming for the truck, so make sure you stay tuned. Don't miss out. Now, like I said, on the truck saving money, I'll blur the comment. I'll put it up here somewhere on the screen, but basically someone said it's total BS of how I got this lift kit for $8.95. And it just so happens that Superlift is running the exact same special that I scored with this on, and it is 20% off site-wide other than King Shocks. Now, if you take the kit, which is discounted at I think $11.19 right now, and you take 20% off, that brings you right to $8.95. Now, of course, you have tax, but once again, if you shop smart and you can find this kit or another kit discounted on eBay, for example, in Missouri, you do not have to pay taxes on it. So depending on where you buy stuff, Rough Country, for example, lists all their stuff on eBay just like they do their site. So you can skip taxes, you can get free shipping, and you can save money. But once again, this lift kit, $8.95, 20% off, and that is for the basic, they're calling them Shadow Shocks now, but they are the Superlift branded shocks, not the Bellsteins, not the Kings. So you're getting a basic shock, but this video is all about how to save money, do it yourself, because this is a very easy kit to install yourself. If you haven't seen the video, I installed it right in the driveway with basic tools, and I'll link it up here somewhere. But you can save a ton of money. There's no need in spending $1,500, $2,000, $3,000 on a lift kit when it's a basic vehicle, unless you're doing heavy off-roading, which these kits should still be great for. You don't need to spend all the money to have a BDS or have a McGoy's lift or something like that, unless you're wanting to go 9 inches or more, because they do not make bigger kits. So, real quick video, not very much. I wanted to do a short video and tie it in with the giveaway winner, so congratulations to them once again. There's going to be more giveaways like I mentioned, so make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll link it up here as well. Superlift has been a great kit for me. We have, I think, 17,000 miles on this truck, maybe 18,000, somewhere right in there. We've had it on since about that 3,000-4,000 mile range. It's been a year. We've had absolutely zero issues with the Rough Country and the old truck. I'm not sure if I made a video on it or not, but we did have some squeaking. We had a bolt come loose. We tightened everything up and everything was fine on that truck. I did see it the other day. It's still in this town. Someone's driving it, but it was pretty naked because we stripped everything down, and all that was left on it was obviously the lift, the tires, and those bumpers. So it's pretty cool to see it still around. It's still running. It's still doing great. This lift kit, like I mentioned, not a single issue whatsoever. We just had the grounding strap issue with the engine, so I may link it up here, I may not. If you guys have any comments or anything on what we could do a giveaway on next, whether it be truck related, boat related, tractor related, because I'm trying to do a bunch of different stuff on the channel and to keep it interesting. So once again, congratulations to the winner. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to leave you here. Lift kits, save money, shop smart. See you later.